Sometimes I go through the flow and I find beauty in it. Sometimes I get a whack in the head and wake up, eh? You know, those learnings that we have in life, yeah.
Tai, rua, toru, pa, rima, right hand forward. Raka on your left side. Raka flat on your left hand.
Mauraku, in short, it's a masculine way of healing, and whakatūrākau in short is a balance of both feminine and masculine. There's always something more than learning from a masculine space. And to me, whakatūrākau is an environment to listen, learn, heal, grow, physically meditate in those spaces.
Mango pare, mango pai, mango tau, mango tū.
So with Mauraku, people assume it's just choreography, it's just drill, it's just fight. Mauraku is to wield. The first form of Mauraku is wielding this, so that's why I say it's going back to yourself. So in order to really wield your rako, you have to go in and be okay with your trauma, your expressions of life, your difficulties.
Diving into my traumas as a young boy, having the pressure to be this stereotypical image of a man that doesn't cry, that's solid, that's hard. Tear that down and really feel emotions and allow tears to be a form of strength, allow trauma to be a form of strength through rako as well.
Wapatahi, hue tanguru.
A lot of people are drawn to the they're drawn to that. I'm not drawn to that. I'm drawn to the, wow, how is this going to implement into my life?
If you feel afraid to learn, that's a sign to pick it up and move with your fear, because you won't be able to discover more of yourself if we go, nah, I'm scared of it. He rongoa tō te rākau, he rongoa kei roto te rākau, no reira pupuritia. And no, it's not only used by men.
Hand on top, rua, step forward with your left, toru, bring the rākau back. Nice.